Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we are at H RVs here in Haleyville, Alabama. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. And now today we've got a great one. It's a KZ Durango Half-Ton 2023 model number 274BHD. So let's get started. The length on this half-ton is 36 feet. The dry weight is 9,150 pounds. And at hitch weight is 1,650. Wow.
Now guys, please keep in mind, just because it does say half-ton, that does not necessarily mean that it's half-ton towable. Always make sure you know your truck's specs before you hook up and go.
Yeah, because we're already at 1,600 pounds dry weight.
Yes.
I mean,
so let's start right here with this outside storage.
of course, you know, everybody say, I got a big old truck and I'm pulling.
Sometimes just because you can doesn't mean that you should. All right,
Wow.
We're going to get off our soapbox now about that. So here, look at this great storage that they give you here. All of your water connections are going to be right here. Got a little outside shower. They do give you a docking light here. And some of your dump is going to be right down here. Alrighty.
Wow.
This should be your 2 propanes. And your
Auto leveling.
auto leveling. This is going to have 4-point electric leveling. Let's move right around here to the front.
Hey, can I go ahead and give a shout out to one of our subscribers?
Sure.
Tiffany, there's my star backpack.
Please do not laugh at our $5 Walmart clearance backpack. It serves a purpose. All right, here is your front storage.
Wow, is that generator prep?
Well, it looks like it.
Wow, it's cool. It's already got
the wiring and
yeah.
yeah.
That is awesome.
I don't know I've seen this on a half-ton
I have
yet.
not.
So, very interesting. And hey guys, while we're going around, also keep in mind we don't work for the dealership, so we can't give you sale prices, but if you want to know the price on this one or what kind of great deal you can get, their information will be in our description down below.
Yeah,
so
website is there. Just click on it
just
and go.
check on it. Now this is going to be your battery connection. You see it is pre-wired for solar. It also has the tire link set up, ready to go. So this is an awesome little storage area.
Wow. And
Yes.
they also have a TV.
Yes.
TV is ready to go.
Normally I say if you would like to add a TV, you can, but this one is already there. And you also have a Bluetooth speaker already in place. Moving on down, of course, this is going to be the back of your water heater. Let me back up and show you the side here. This has got 2 huge awnings.
I mean, the whole side of it
Yes,
can be covered.
I mean, all the way down. You've got a 16, and then this one is a 15. So they are, you'll cover your entire campsite. That is awesome. And of course, it does have the LED light strips under it.
These little half-ton Durangos are pretty sharp.
Yes, they're really awesome. Back here, you're going to have an outside griddle.
Yep.
And a sink that is plumbed.
I like it. And your connect should be right there.
Right under there.
There it is.
Yes. And you'll see that Durangos do mount their spares underneath the back. Speaking of the back, you have even more storage.
Wow, now that's pretty
So
sharp.
that is just awesome. And this is going to have a towing package. Don't suggest you hooking up 2 or 3 boats behind you, but you've got an option here.
Yeah.
Let's go inside and take a look at this one. Now this is a bunkhouse model. So let me give you a quick look here and we'll just go ahead and start in the bunk room.
Wow. This is sharp.
Yes, you're going to have
Hey,
4.
look at here.
Well, I can't see because you're
Well,
in my
hang
way.
on a minute. Let me get out. Maybe back out. Let me back out. Let me just show them. There, now you go ahead.
Yes. So you've got some storage here. And this storage does go all the way down to the floor. You've got four bunks in here. Each one is going to have their own light. We don't have the top ones on, but you can see.
Reach them.
I couldn't reach them, no. Actually, that's the reason why it's not on. You got some power right up here. And it looks like, yes, capacity on all of these are 250 a piece. But that's not all that's back here.
Uncle Fred can sleep on one. All right, can I? Nope.
Oh,
no,
nope.
You'll have to go in.
We'll have to go in.
You'll have to go in and then take a look there.
This is going to have a half bath. So this bunk room area actually has its very own bath. You've got some storage down here below this sink. Nice medicine cabinet. And you do have an exhaust fan up here. And this is a porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice.
And of course, you do have a sliding door to, maybe you won't hear nothing out of the kids.
Out of the Rugrats.
Yeah.
All right, moving here into the living area, you've got some storage right here. This can double as your pantry, or if you need extra storage for that bunk room.
You've got the hooks right up in there, so
yes.
All right.
Very versatile. Use it however you need to. Your entertainment center is going to be just as you come in the door.
Sometimes we're entertainers.
I am today, apparently. Got a sound bar. I like this window so that you can see onto your campsite. Got some counter space here that you can use for prep if you need it. Storage right below, and a nice large electric fireplace. Now Durango does put their heat vents in the floor. And let me go ahead and show you, here is one of your AC units.
Have a seat there.
I will have a seat. We have some theater seating. So I know you're thinking, well, the TV looks a little high. But, you know, when you sit here and you kind of lean back, it's actually in a really good position. I like this one. So let me show you what I was just sitting on. Here in your really big slide, you're going to have your theater seating. You've got, let's see, power, massage, lights, USB port, all of that's right there in the arm. And you also have cup holders, and you're going to have a power outlet and some more USB right there. Big windows all the way around. You're going to have the MCD privacy shades. You will have a dinette. Then this will also make into additional sleeping area. Storage down below.
Right.
Nice flush slide. I like that. You know, it blends right in with your flooring. All right, let me turn right back around. So let's finish out this kitchen.
Wow.
Got storage up there. That'd be great for your cereal boxes.
Oh, yes.
You're going to have, I'm not sure what size this is, but it is a propane electric. So if you like to boondock or go off grid, you'll be able to run your fridge. Got storage down below.
Yep.
For us, that would be perfect for pet food storage, but to each his own. Right next to your fridge area, you've got another pantry area. It's a little bit narrow, but it is pretty deep, so you can get a good bit of stuff in there. Storage all the way around your microwave. Yeah, okay. We're just gonna be honest with you. It's a big front, but not a very big microwave. So,
Yeah.
but it looks good. Down here below, you've got 4 drawers.
Yep.
You are gonna have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Yep.
Now these are not going to have solid surface countertops. This is part of the Half-Ton series, so it's going to keep the weight down on these. Nice big single basin sink, sprayer faucet. You've got these 2 cabinets down here.
Hey.
Oh, hey, you already have a garbage can.
And you got that little one.
And another one over there.
And you got this.
Yes, good storage up above. Super nice. Okay, if you need to know, your fuse panel is going to be right down here. You've got some electrical around in here. Oh, there's one over here too. So
Yep.
lots of electrical outlets in your kitchen area.
Yeah, there's your generator button already there.
Already there.
Wow.
Your one-touch control system is right there. AC control is going to be up here in the hall. So let's head up here and take a look. Hey. Wow. Well, now Jeremy is 6 feet tall, so he's got a skylight up here. It gives him plenty of headroom. Now this is, this is not going to have a one-piece shower. It is, like I said, it's your half-ton. However, I can tell you guys that this is the exact shower and shower door that we have. Yeah. And it works absolutely perfect. Yeah. We absolutely just love it.
Gets you clean.
It does. Right over here, you've got some towel hooks right above your porcelain foot flush toilet. Right. Got some linen storage here.
Wow, that's good stuff.
It is. That's a big storage area.
Got a medicine cabinet.
Medicine cabinet.
All right.
You've got good counter space in here. I'm impressed with that counter space. And an electrical outlet.
I'm impressed with this half-ton.
Yes. Lots of drawers, storage underneath. Let's see, where's your vent? Are you standing on it?
I'm standing on it. Sorry.
Yes. So you do have a heat vent in here.
Mm-hmm. Wow, this is nice.
All right, well, hey, let's check out the bedroom. This is going to have a north-south bed on it. This is going to be a queen bed. So you have got storage all the way across.
All the way across.
Now keep in mind that the half-ton is a mid-pro, so it's going to slope down a little bit in here. But hey, they give you a second air.
Yep.
You're going to have a little nightstand on this side with a USB port, electric up there, USB over here, a little bigger nightstand on this side with electric. This has a wardrobe slide.
Hey, now, this is nice.
So you've got oh, they're not mirrored. Okay.
No.
Oh, hey, I'm glad they're not. Mm-hmm. 3 doors with a rod all the way across. 2 drawers down below it. Now, I do want to show you that you are going to have a little step up right here. I think it's probably, what, 4 or 5 inches? It's not very big. And
now,
let's see if there's storage under the bed.
Okay, here we go. Well, yeah. That's nice.
Yep, so you got storage under here. But we're not finished yet.
Nope.
Let me step right up here
this
and turn around.
Really got my attention.
Yes. So, oh, he turned the light off on me. I thought, wow, it's dark in here. So, this is dual purpose. You've got a hanging rod already in place, or you can take that out and you can put it in a combo washer dryer back here. It's already prepped.
That is awesome.
Now, this one actually already has a TV.
Has the TV. On a swivel.
Yes.
That is so cool.
I think I've already showed your second AC, but if I didn't, there it is.
Wow.
All right. This is a very impressive half-ton unit.
All right, everybody. If you like this little Durango half-ton fifth wheel, the dealership's information, you go to that where it says more over here. You click that. You click the other more, and then it pulls down all the weights, the website where you can check the pricing on this particular unit. And all the phone number, everything is there. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us 2 thumbs up. All right, thanks everybody.